This tower heater comes with a remote. You can use it with the remote, or you can use it with just pressing the buttons. Your start button, and right there you can see that it automatically starts to oscillate. Right now I have it in the oscillating mode. If I don't want it in the oscillating mode, it'll be constant in one position, and I can adjust the temperature up and down. Whatever temperature feels comfortable. There's also a timer for it. Another nice feature, it has a tip over function that if it tips over, it shuts off. So I recommend this heater.